Here we go. It's recording. Here we go. It's recording. Yep.
Welcome. To purchase a car wash, make a wash selection and enter your method of payment.
Enter
If
now.
you would like a receipt, press refund now. Your receipt is printing.
It says enter now. Oh, look, this one actually has a wash status sign to tell us what it's doing. Pull it slowly because there might be undercarriage.
Should be.
Yep, undercarriage. Drive forward. Stop. Oh, yep, I'm right. It's a 1.0. Water Wizard 1.0. Look at the way it's designed.
Spraying this way. Maybe
Pre-soak.
Recirculation.
Sorry. Pre-soak. This is pre-soak. That's a pretty good coating of it.
Mm-hmm.
Now it gets thicker. Now that's a thicker coating of pre-soak. Mm-hmm.
How old is this car wash?
Probably early 2000s.
When it was built?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They don't make the Water Wizard 1.0 like this anymore. Oh, rocker panel blasters. Yep, rocker panel blasters. Yep, that sign says rocker panel blasters.
Bottom blaster.
Bottom blaster. Never seen that before. Oh, high pressure wash.
Wow.
Wow, what?
Rolling this way.
Yeah.
Is that windy outside?
What the? It did a double pass on the back.
Well, that's good.
It needs it.
Oh, that's why it's blowing this way, because it's blowing at the car.
Yeah. That's some pretty good high pressure water there. Leaf? What the heck is a leaf doing on there?
We've got a bunch of leaves.
Yeah.
That time of year when they start falling off the trees.
And there it goes. Got blasted off by the water. And doing a double pass in the front. Now it's doing now it's doing another pass back. Oh, it's rocking the car. Man. You feel that vibration rocking the car?
Sure do.
Triple shine.
Poly shell, triple shine.
Oh, look, we actually got 3 colors.
It says triple shine. Clean car is a happy car. Wow, those are dark.
Mm-hmm. And that's a pretty thick coating of
It's
it.
pretty thick coat.
But I bet it's not going to last long.
Oh no. But it's cleaning as it slides down. Yeah, it didn't let it leave it. It didn't leave it on there very long.
Looks like the thing stopped oscillating. Oh, there it goes.
Let's have some patience.
Okay. I wonder what this is. Clear coat or something? Oh, it didn't get... Most of the soap ended up on the front windshield. Or some of it, at least.
No, didn't get it all off.
Okay.
This is the front window. Side window.
Yeah.
Window's clear.
Ah, I
Didn't
see.
get it all. At least we hope so. At least it didn't leave us with bug spray. See ya.
Unlike that one time in Mineola, Texas. Which is...
Bug spray is all you get.
Still can't believe it did that, though. Still can't believe it did that, though.
Broke.
Ah, there it goes. It got the soap off. Spot-free rinse, I think.
Nothing's lit up yet.
Well, it is spot-free rinse.
Unless that light is out.
Ah, spot-free rinse light's burnt out.
Might be.
Yep, spot-free rinse light's burnt out. Oh, drive-through dryers. We're going to need to drive through them soon. Oh, that's a good coating of spot-free water. Even if the dryers don't dry all the water off.
That looks pretty clear back there.
Yeah. I bet it's going to tell us to pull forward any minute now. Nope, it's going to do it. Oh. I guess it's not done with the spot-free rinse yet. Yeah, it's not quite done yet. This is actually a pretty good car wash for $10. Better than the one in Gulf Shores and Foley, Alabama altogether. Those are way too old to even function. Yep, those are Superior dryers. Exit. Oh, wow, that's powerful. I left a little bit. I left a spot on the front for going too fast.
Kind of fast.
Yeah.
I want my rubber out.
Yeah, it is.
Get some new rubber. Driver time doesn't really show you anything.
Parts of it is broken. I think it's about done. There it goes. Alright, thank you all for watching. This is the third time I've filmed a car wash in Texas in a long time. Thank you for watching and subscribing.